Hello students, welcome to our online session. If you could remember, 2 days classes we have finished. In that one day we were discussing about decimal number to binary number. The second day we were discussing about binary number to decimal number. So now you would have got an idea. Decimal number is a combination of 10-digit number. It is between 0 to 9. And then binary number is only a combination of two digits. It will be having only zeros and 1. And today's session, we will focus about octal numbers. Octal numbers is a type of number representation where you will have values of base value of 8. So here you will have a base value of 8. So that you will have only 8-digit values starting from 0 and ending with 7. So you will have these only range of numbers under octal system. So today's class, we will focus on how to convert a decimal number to octal number. Now you need to understand decimal number is it's a base 10 value and octal number is base 8 value. So you need to convert a decimal number to octal number. What is the base value for octal number? 8. So you need to keep on dividing the number by 8. Okay. When we were discussing decimal to binary, we discussed we need to keep on divided by 2 because base value of binary number was 2. When we are doing decimal to octal number, you need to keep given decimal number should be divided by 8. Okay, you will get the answer. That's all. Simple. Otherwise, the logic is very simple. You need to just understand looking at the topic. Decimal means base 10. Octal is base 8. When I want to convert decimal to octal, you need to given decimal number should be keep on dividing by 8. So I have taken a number 158. When I divide by 8, it goes in 19 times. 8 times, in 8 table, 158 goes 19 times minus. So the remainder value I will get. My remainder will be 6. Okay. Then further I got this 96. Then 19 if I take, when I divide it by 2, 16 2s are 18. Correct? So 2 times it goes. So 16. So 19 minus 16, it's going to be, remainder is 3. Then once if I try to further divide, I won't be able to divide. So I will stop with this 0. So we can stop with this. No, actually no need to represent this part also. Here when you stop also, it is enough. When you see 2, you can't further divide. So you can stop like this. So your answer will be 2, 3 and 6. Done. So your answer will be 2, 3 and 6. So how to write? From lower to upper you need to write. So lower first value is 2. Second value is 3. Third value is 6. Your answer will be 2, 3 and 6. So we saw one example. We will try seeing some more examples so that you get a better idea. We will take this example. I have taken 540 as my number, given number. Okay. So if it is 540, what you need to do? You need to keep on dividing it by 8. So 8 times I have taken. When I divide 540 goes 67 times. So the remainder which I get is 4. So once again, if I divide 8 8s are 64. So remainder will be 3. Then once again, since 8 is there, I can divide further. 8 ones are 8. So 1 remainder is 0. So once you start writing, start from here itself and go top. So first number is 1. Next number is 0. Next number is 3. And next number is 4. So your answer will be 1 0 3 4 of base 8. Okay. This is about decimal to octal number. Next we have in case if decimal number is given. Like see 29.30 they have given. 29 doing is, so you need to divide this into 2 parts. Before decimal number, keep on dividing it by 2. After decimal number, multiply by, I think I said 2. So before it 29.30 is given. So divide this into two parts. Before decimal number, keep on dividing it by 8. After decimal number, multiply by 8. So we will do, see 29 I have taken 29, 8 times 2 3s are 24. So I have taken, remainder is 5. Done. Then 8 times, further it won't go. So my answer is going to be 3 and 5. So 35 is going to be my answer. This side it is finalized. Then come to this part, only 0.30. So take 0.30 into 8. You will get 22.4. Then leave this 2 here itself. Only 4 you take. 0.4 into 8. So you will get 3.2. Leave 3 here itself and take only 2. 0.2 into 8, it is 1.6. I think 3 decimal places, if you do, it's enough. So you can write from top to bottom, you should write. So our answer is 231. So for 29.30, your answer will be 35.231. Okay, from top to bottom, you should write 2 first, 3 first, and 1. Like this, we can solve it. We will see one more example. We will try converting some decimal number to octal number. Let me take an example. I want to convert to 25.225 of base 10. I need to convert to octal number. So what first thing what you have to do, you need to divide it into two parts, before decimal number and after decimal number. Before decimal number, I am taking 225. What we have to do, we have to keep on dividing it by 8. So 8. So 225 means 8 tables when we see, it will go, check with 25 into 8 will be 200. So that 27 with 8 is 216. 28 into 28 into 8 is 224. Exactly 224. So I am taking 28. Okay, 28 8s are 224. Given is 225. So remainder will be 1. Once again, further divided by 8. So 8 3s are 24. So 3 times 24 minus 28, 4. So 3 lesser than 8. So further don't divide and confuse. Okay, that's all, enough. When you write, how you have to write? Lower to upper. So you will write 3 first, then 4, next 1. So one part of program is done. Then you do for the second part. Decimal places 0.225 I have to calculate. So if it is a after decimal places, means you need to multiply by 8. So when I multiply this by 8, I get 540. 8 2s are 10. So I will get 1.800. What I will do, I will leave this 1 here itself. Take only 0.800. 0.800 into 8. So if I multiply 8 8s are 64. So answer will be 6.400. Now I will leave the 6 here itself and take only this 400. 400 into 8. Then I will get 3.200. 3 up to 3 decimal places. If you do enough, if you want, you can further do. Further means 200 alone you need to take and multiply. I will stop with 3 decimal places. One thing to remember is when it is after decimal number, you need to go top to bottom and only these values 1, 6 and 3. So the answer for this is going to be 1, 6 and 3. First you need to write 1, 6 and 3. So final answer when you get this, so 225.225 of base 10 I will get 341.163 of base 8. Like this we need to do. Okay. This is octal decimal number to octal number. Same focus. We will discuss octal number to decimal number. So we saw decimal number to octal number. Now given is octal number. Base 8 kottidare. You need to find out the decimal number. So in that case, like how we converted octal to binary, you need to multiply 8 is the base value for octal. The first digit is represent 0. So first digit I will represent as 8 to the power of 0. Next 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 3 and 8 to the power of 4. Like that I need to multiply and go. So for what is octal to decimal is given, you need to find the base, take the base value 8 and to the power of the numbers you need to do. Okay. Consider we have been given this number 37246. Find out the position of the numbers. This is in 0 position. This is 1 position, 2 position, 3rd position, and this is 4th position. Okay. Now find out first position means it is 8 to the power of 0. Second position is 8 to the power of 1. Third position is 8 to the power of 2. Fourth position is 8 to the power of 3. And this one is 8 to the power of 4. We find that when we try solving this, okay, when we try solving this 8 to the power of 0, 8 to the power of 0, last time only I said 8 to the power 2, 8, anything to the power of 0 is going to be 1 and 8 to the power of 1 is going to be 8. Remember both these concepts, okay? Many times we could see students making mistake. 8 to the power of 0 is 1. Any value to the power of 0 is 1. 8 to the power of 1 is going to be 8. So 8 to the power of 0 is 1. 1, 6 are 6. Next 8 to the power of 1 is 8. Then into 4. Next 8 to the power of 2 is 8 into 8 is 64 into 2. Then 8 to the power of 3 you calculate 8 to the power of 4 and multiply and you will get the final answer like this. This is for the way how you will convert octal number to decimal number. So this is the given octal number. When we convert to given decimal number, we will get this answer. Next simple example I have taken. See, octal to decimal conversion, only 37 to the base 8 I have given. So how you will do? First one is 7 into 8 to the power of 0. And this is position is 0. This position is 1. So what you have to find? 8 to the power of 0 for this, 8 to the power of 1 for this. So 7 into 8 to the power of 0, 3 into 8 to the power of 1. So answer is this is going to be 7. Because 8 to the power of 1 is 1. So 1 into 7 into 1, 1, 8 to the power of 2. So you'll get the answer as 31. One more example we will see with decimal numbers. See the example question given. Octal number given is octal number given is 246.28. So when it comes to decimal numbers, before decimal numbers, your position should be in positive value. After decimal number, your position value will be in the negative value. That's all. So here, this position is 0. This position is 1. This position is 2. And this position is going to be -1. This position is going to be -2. Now you work it out. So when I start with this, 6 means 6 into 8 to the power of 0. 4 is 4 into 8 to the power of 1. 2 is 2 into 8 to the power of 2. And after point, it is -1. So it is 8 to the power of -1 into 2. This is 8 to the power of -2 into 8. So once you see 8 to the power of minus 1 means it is understood it is 1 by 8. 8 to the power of minus 2 is 1 by 8 square. So when you solve this, 2 into 64 here, 128, 32, 6.25, 0.15, and you need to add all the things so that you will get the given decimal number as 166.37 pi of base 10. Okay, this is how we will do octal number to decimal number. We will try out one more example. We will try converting octal to decimal. For example, we will take a value 237.45. First to find the position. This is decimal place. So this is zeroth position, first position, second position. Okay. And when it comes to now this is zeroth position, this is first position, this is second position. And after decimal number, it is going to be -1 and -2. And when I write as an octal thing, 8 is the base value for octal. So 7 has to be multiplied by 8 to the power of 0. This has to be multiplied by 8 to the power of 1. This has to be multiplied by 8 to the power of 2. 0.8 to the power of -1, 8 to the power of -2. So frame the things. Now, like an expression, when you write, you can write from here 2 into 8 to the power of 2. So first value is 2 into 8 to the power of 2 plus next 3 into 8 to the power of 1. Next is 3 into 8 to the power of 1 plus this value 7 into 8 to the power of 0. 7 into 8 to the power of 0 plus 4. 4 into 8 to the power of -1 plus 5 into 8 to the power of -2. Okay. Now start solving it. So 8 to the power of 2 is 64. So this is going to be 2 into 64. Plus 8 to the power of 1 is 8. So 3 into 8. Plus 7 into 8 to the power of 0 means I have told 1. So it is 1. Plus 4 into 8 to the power of -1. It is called 1 by 8. Plus 5 into 1 by 8 square. So 8 into 8, 64 will come. So once again, when you keep solving 2 into 64, it will be 128 plus 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 7 1s are 7 plus 4 into 8 is, see, this will go 2 times. 1 by 2 is going to be 0.5. When I divide, it's going to be 0.5. Plus, here what happens? 5 into 1 by 8 is equals to 1 by 64. Okay. I won't be able to divide, so that I will multiply and put the value for this. So here it continues 128 plus 24 plus 7 plus 0.5. And when I solve this, 5 into divided by thing means I will get 0.078 approximately. Okay. 0.78. So when you add all together, you will get 1 59.578 of base 10. So given question was 237.45 and you will get an answer 159.578 of base 10. This is how we will do. Let me give some homework problem. You try it out. And in tomorrow's, we will see the remaining concepts. So today's concept, we have covered two concepts. So one is decimal number to octal number and octal number to decimal number. Try out this homework and take down all these sums in your CS notebook and do this homework problem. Once you complete the homework problem, take a picture of it and upload in the given Google form. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is your homework problem. Take the copy down your homework problem and do this problem. Solve it off.